smaller ones, Jesse. How about...
Jesse, you like that?
How about this one? No?
Tissue.
How about this one, Jesse? Which one do you want? You pick one. And then we'll carve it tomorrow. Huh? Which one do you want, Jesse?
Really good.
Ooh. What's today's date? The 21st, right? Halloween is on a Saturday. I don't know how many days I got.
No, don't do that. Stand up, Jesse.
Oh, I got like 7 days or something. I got lots of time. Which one do you want, Jesse? Which one?
Like that one.
You want this one?
He likes that one.
You like this one?
A frickled.
Okay.
A wrinkled pumpkin. Show it, show it.
Jesse,
This is what Jesse likes. He wants this.
it's like flat.